Hi guys, my name is Tiffany and I am the owner of Ohhmytumblerz. Today I'm excited to show you guys how to recreate a beautiful beach tumbler. Whether you are dreaming of a sandy shore or you just want a beach on your tumblerware, I've totally got you covered today. So here I'm using a 20-ounce tumbler. I am using the company of Colorshot. I do love the colors that they carry. I'm using a gold metallic that they have. I also used a teal and a royal blue. My favorite part about Colorshot is that they actually dry to the touch within 10 to 15 minutes, but once I spray paint it, I am then going to let it sit for at least 3 hours before we go in and glitter. You want to make sure as you're spray painting, you at least tilt the cup a little bit just so that you can get that perfect ombre effect. Here I'm going to go in with my dark blue and I'm also going to speed up the process a bit. Here I'm just going to finish spraying and then I will let it sit for 3 hours. So there is a method to my madness and I do love to use the Counterculture's Turbo Facet just to apply my glitter because I feel like it's easier to do an ombre. If you've never used Counterculture's Turbo, you do have to make sure that within 5 minutes that you apply your glitter, because if not, it will set and it will not stick. Here, I'm just making sure that my cup is fully coated. Now that our tumbler is fully coated, I'm just going to let it dry for 2 hours. Once it's dry, I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to hit it with a clear coat just to seal in all the glitter so that when I go in and do my epoxy, none of the glitters mix or go into any other glitters. Once I'm finished here, I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. Unfortunately, on this part, I did miss a step that I did not record, but I did do one layer of epoxy. I let it dry and then I went in and did another clear coat of epoxy, and a little bit of that I took and I mixed it with the acrylic paint. So here you can see that I am now adding it to the clear coat that I had already placed on the tumbler, just so that I can go in with a straw and be able to blow my waves and make it look like the waves are crashing on this tumbler. And here you're just going to be able to do it to your liking. You can add more white if you'd like, or you can add more clear just to break it up. And right here you can see as I am creating my waves, what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed it up now. And here I decided I was going to add a little more plus a little bit more clear. Like I said, it is basically to your leisure and your liking. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue to make my waves, and I am going to speed up the process for you. As you can tell, I did speed up the process. Once this layer is done and dried, you will be able to then add your decal and be able to then do your last 2 coats of resin. And there you have it, an easy tutorial on how to make a beach tumbler. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Hope this video helps. Have a great one. See you guys on the next time.